The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Becerra has officially renewed the Public Health Emergency Declaration. The renewal is effective October 18th and will last for an additional 90 days. That takes us into the middle of January 2022. This is the 7th time that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has extended the emergency since it began back in January of 2020. The renewal means that many of the changes due to the pandemic continue. Those are regulatory changes and funding changes. The administration, the Biden administration, had already announced it would likely keep the public health emergency in place at least through the end of the calendar year. And this renewal actually takes us beyond that into 2022. The Biden administration had wanted to build predictability and some expectations so states knew how to do budgeting, but also for hospitals and patients so they knew what to expect. One of the biggest changes because of the Public Health Emergency Declaration is that Medicaid enrollees stay continuously eligible until the emergency ends. Because of this renewal, Medicaid patients will continue their Medicaid eligibility into 2022. When the public health emergency eventually ends, the feds have already told the states they'll have 12 months to transition Medicaid enrollees, and they have built the expectation that everybody should be evaluated one more time for their Medicaid eligibility before they are indeed terminated. In a statement, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services said that they remain committed to providing states and territories with the resources and ongoing technical assistance necessary to respond effectively to the COVID outbreak and restore state operations upon the eventual conclusion of the current public health emergency. In the description below, we link to the renewal statement that takes us into January 2022 with this public health emergency. You can also read the letter to states where we take that quote from today. If you are looking for a vaccine, we also give you resources of how to find one close to you. If that public health emergency is renewed again in January 2022, we'll bring you an update at that time.